Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this tutorial. It is a glueless wig install. I did mold it a little bit. Just put a little bit of freeze spray, but you can wear this completely glueless. I just use a little bit of freeze spray, tie it down, and that is, I'm good to go. Okay, I'm good to go that way. This wig is from MyShinyWigs. The wig came in a really nice little setup where you get to hang the wig when you are done. We love that for us. We love that for us, honey, because as you guys can see, your girl be storing these wigs on the wall. So the fact that they sent me a hanger little package to kind of store my wig, I feel like is great. This is a 22-inch, like an ocean wave, beach wave type of curl pattern. The more you kind of fluff it out, the bigger it's going to get. Now the knots did come bleached, however I did go back and bleach a little bit more because I like my knots a little lighter. And also the front is customized, already plucked, however I went back and did some more plucking. So if you guys don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. If you're an OG subscriber, girl, you know we give hugs around this mug when I do personal videos. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug, and we're just gonna jump into this tutorial because I am sure you guys are curious on how I got this look, girl. This is a closure wig. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video, okay? If you don't already know about your girl, we do give hugs around this mug, okay? So yes, guys, I look forward to you guys seeing how I did this video, how I customized this wig, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. All right, y'all, so I am starting off with Dirty Hair Girl. My hair is molded with gel all in it, and I'm just going to go ahead and braid it down for a wig. I only do 2 braids for wigs. So right now I'm thinking like, okay, I want a middle part. So I'm just going to put some water on my hair just to kind of get it easier to braid down. And I'm going to do both sides the same way. And I'm just going to braid literally 2 plaits all the way down, okay? Now that I'm done braiding 2 plaits, I'm going to go ahead and put a cap on. I'm not going to do it where I'm gluing it down or anything, just to contain my hair in the back. So here's the wig, my MyShinyWigs. It's a 5x6, a glueless lace closure. The lace is supposed to be pretty good. It's supposed to be HD lace, so we're going to see, girl. We're going to see. And it also comes with like a strap for the back that I did not use. And here's the things that it comes with. It comes with like another wig cap, a comb, you know, and a stocking caps, and, you know, just the normal things that they all come with. So my hair was like molded into a bun, so I'm just going to wet the edges with water, and I'm going to go ahead and just loosen that gel up on the edges, and then I'm going to brush it back. Now I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses cream contour palette in the color that's closest to me, and I'm literally just going to go under the lace with a little brush and put that cream product under the lace where the part's going to be in the front, and as well as the part that's going back. Here, guys, I am cutting off the side tabs because when you put the wig on, you may notice like some hard bony pieces under the inside of the wig, and it hurts. So I just cut that off, honestly. And once I cut those 2 pieces off, I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on and see how it fits. I'm going to spray a little bit of water because it is curly hair. It doesn't even matter. So I'm going to spray water just to kind of brush the hair back and see how the hairline's looking. And I'm really just trying to map out and see how everything's going to look, guys. I ended up changing my mind and doing a side part, y'all. So I was like, I'm feeling the side part because I always do these damn middle parts. So I end up doing a side part, guys. And I'm just going to kind of re-braid my hair down to mimic a side part. I don't have to do this, but I just feel like it looks way more natural. So my edges are kind of fuzzy. I'm just going to get a little bit got to be glue cream, and I'm just going to mold my edges back and then put the wig back on. Once I put the wig back on and get it exactly where I want to get it to, I'm going to put some more of that cream product on top of the lace, and I'm going to start applying that got to be glue cream. Now I have 2 ways how I do the wigs. Sometimes I do it with the cream and sometimes I do it glueless. So right here I'm going to do it with the cream, and then later on in the video I'm going to show you guys how I do it glueless, okay? So here I am just cutting the extra lace off. And then after I cut the lace off, I'm just going to get some of that mousse. And I'm going to just literally put some mousse, some styling mousse foam on the hair just to kind of give it a good hold and get a good curly hold and shine and make it more manageable, guys. And then I also just get like an elastic band, and I use the elastic band to tie down my edges just to kind of make sure everything is like really flat and melted in together. I like to use a comb when it comes to wavy hair because it seems like it streamlines the curls really well. It makes it really wavy and really curly. And I'm just using that same cream product on my part just to define the part area. And then the parts where I over bleached, I'm just going to use like an old mascara that I do not use and just kind of darken the hair on both sides just to make the part cleaner, guys. And then after that, I'm just going to pull a little bit of baby hairs out. And then I'm just going to mold that with that same mousse that I'm molding in with. And then I am done with the side part, guys. So the next clip I'm going to show you guys is how I switch it to the middle part. It is super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this part though. Alright, y'all, so I said that this unit was glueless. Even though I used Got To Be Glue, I want to show you guys that this unit truly is glueless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove it from this spot, and I'm going to put it a middle part. Yeah, it's pretty easy to lift. Once you do that, boom, there you go. Alright, so like I said, I want a middle part, so I'm going to take this little hair bow out, and I originally had a middle part before, so I'm just going to take this braid out. I'm showing you guys like how easy this is to do. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse, put a little bit of mousse where the part is. And really just kind of start molding. A lot of people be like, oh, I don't want to have baby hairs. Girl, I'm gonna be honest with you. You don't have a lot of options when it comes to that, because if you're gonna wear it glueless and it's lace, no matter how thin the lace is, it's going to, how do I say this? It's going to show. So if you don't want it to show, you're gonna have to do certain things in order for it to look as natural as possible. You get what I'm saying? Like, I always like my stuff to go up and out. Because like people love to act like the lace just be laid for days and all this. And a lot of times it don't. Okay, so whenever you're doing that, you know, you can put some of this mousse on the lace. a little bit, just to kind of keep everything good. And then you just tie a scarf. And you're just gonna let this dry. Whenever everything's dry in a couple minutes, I'm gonna finish everything up. This is basically how it looks. It looks very melted. That is how you get that super, super melted look. If you don't want your baby hairs to be like stuck to the forehead or whatever, you can always just yeah, I want to comb this back a little bit. Just refresh these curls a bit. So like I said, you can either like comb them out so it can have more of like a natural look but still have a hold, or you can have it, you know, stuck. I don't really like the stuck look, so I'm just gonna comb them so they can be very soft. Put some concealer where the part is. And then just get a little bit of mascara and just kind of fill in those over bleached spots. You can kind of comb through it a little bit and make sure it's not like super molded. But yeah, that is basically how everything looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, this is completely glueless. All you see me was basically like molded with the Shine and Jam. If the color is too light for you, you can always, right here, like you can always darken it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this video was informative so you guys can know how to make a glueless wig, something that's completely removable every night, and then when you lay it back down it looks very natural. But yes guys, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Gotta go. Bye.